There have been several improvements to the curve sketching tools within PowerMILL 2011. The creation and editing of boundaries or patterns now will be much simpler, much more automated and much quicker. These improvements include the ability to create arcs and lines that are now tangent to each other using the intelligent cursor. There are several new options on the transformation toolbar, including new offsetting functionality, new multiple transformation functionality similar to the toolpath transformation functionality, and the ability to transform curves from one work plane to another or from one work plane to the world transformation. We will now take a look at some of these new enhancements on this camshaft profiles example. We'll start by finishing off the partially created cam profiles, making use of the new line and arc tangency option. So we have a pattern, defining the profiles, and we're going to jump into the curve editor to finish off these cam profiles. So the first thing we're going to do is create a line tangent to the two arcs. As you can see, the intelligent cursor automatically picks up the tangency, and we need to make the arc at the top to be radius 75. So if we select the arc, pick up the arrow to change its radius, and we're just going to drag that up and down, and you can see as we move the arc vertically up and down, the lines extend or reduce to maintain the tangency. So we're going to change that to 75. So that is now finished. In the second example, we first need to change the radius because the position of the arc stays the same but the radius changes. So we double click on it to activate it, and we're going to change its radius. So you can see that because we have no lines now which are snapped to the end of the arc, when we change its radius the arc center stays in the same place. So we now change that to 75, and then we can add the lines tangent to both of the arcs. So in this third example, we're going to create two arcs tangent to two existing arcs. So to achieve this, we need to create an arc through 3 points. So let's just zoom in, and it's going to be tangent to this arc, tangent to this arc, and it's going to be 350. So just enter that. And this next one is a 100 radius, so again, tangent, tangent.